Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set your formation of your team. So what you need to do first is tap your my team page. As you can see, I'm new. This is my day one playing FIFA Mobile. So we'll learn together about this game. So this is my current formation, flat 4-4-2. This is the most classic, one of the classic formation beside 3-5-2 and 3-5-3, 3-4-3 I mean. So this 4-4-2 mostly used by English League or Premier League in 1980. So what you need to do first is tap this formation. So as you can see, there are some formation that I already unlock by time to time playing this game. 4-4-2, 4-3-3, and there are overall team rating in here. It's automatically by the game. So please choose your formation carefully according your player ability and your player position and overall rating also. So feel free to try and challenge yourself in a match. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.